Tell me what I gotta see. A pickup line, a simple phrase, just to make you wanna stay.
You know, I won't say too much too soon, 'cause that's not what you're supposed to do.